The world as we know since its inception, from Adam, so to speak, has been believing in the unseen. The tenets of faith, like the belief in God, we can't see, belief in the hereafter, nobody knows when it's going to occur, belief in the divine scriptures, we haven't seen it coming down with our eyes, and belief in the prophets, so to speak, that even if the prophet is standing in front of us and claiming to be a prophet, I mean, how can we prove so? There's no empirical evidence, so to speak. Empirical means which can be proven, like 2 plus 2 is 4. But then the Creator, God, has taken a lot of pride that He insists that the human intellect should not go after seeing things in order to believe them. Believing should be seeing, and because the human intellect has the ability to see beyond. There was always the creator of the universe being the creator, but now the world has kind of shifted towards the created universe. How is it being run? So this is a major tectonic shift. And then the human soul was looked into, and now it's human body. And so perhaps those needs have to be fulfilled irrespective of any moral structure behind it. And then the hereafter, the fundamental purpose of our life, the belief in the hereafter and eternal unending life. But then that has been changed to life. We are alive now, so our needs should be fulfilled here. Similarly, a metaphysical world, a world beyond physics and spirituality, has now changed purely into physics and materialism.